culinary school. Yeah.
Coach, you got anything?
You better break him off. You better make his ass stop his feet. That's the only way. The only time he needs to jab. Yes. But I'm telling you right now, D-line, if you don't jog back to that line, I'll take you out. Simple as that. Been here before. You can see a whole bunch of motherfuckers jumping around. They got to win. Somebody may beat you first rep. They're going to go crazy. Act like we've been here. You know what I'm saying? They want to beat you. Niggas out here, they want to beat you. You know what I'm saying?
Deal. I ain't gonna lie. I think we get caught now. Hold on.
Yeah. Nah. Hey! Okay! What's up? Oh, yeah. There it is. Let's go. Work. There it is. There it is, country. Go! Country. There it is. There you go. There is Musa. There's Musa. Get there. There you go. That's us.
Shake it up.
Two things. So that's between you and you. Between your ears. All right? And right here in your chest. So it's up to you. What you gonna do?
Have a plan. You won your good rest, work, move. Have a plan and finish it up. That's all I can say right now. Have a plan, finish it up. Other than that, I'm not tripping right now. I'm not upset. I'm not upset, fellas. Offense. Hold. Defense. You got to go ahead.
No, 6 or 7.
Where you playing at?
Yeah. If I can teach some people how to do their job, we're good.
That's just what I did against Ellis all the time. I always bullied that nigga. Ellis.
Hey, let's go.
You lose is you lost because they beat you to the bag, not because of technique. Whoop, some ass. Tatum, pop it off. Right there. There you go. Good job, Bo. Keep the feet moving, Bo. Cover him up, Bo. Thank you. Whistle, thank you. Right there. Good job. What you do, Bryson? Good job. Right there. Yeah. Jog it. Jog it off. Better than that, Ed. Better than that. That's us. Hey, same group. Mateo a lot. There you go, Trav. Speed, dorks. Come on back. Hey, rotate. Second line up. That's let's go.
Gotta win, bro. Whatever we best at, we gotta win at that. And we gotta do the small things, right? It don't matter. Hey, look at this shit, y'all boys. Hey, watch that bull rush, cause they ain't counting that shit. Let's be real. They ain't counting that shit.
They gonna shoot their hands off.
Hey, be patient. Don't do what I did. Hey, learn from me. I fucked up over setting. Get in your spot and wait, half man. Because if you take a whole man, what he gonna do? He gonna do whatever the hell you want to, right? You can go inside or go out. But half a man, be fast, get out your stance. Hey.
Right there.
Offense. 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 Okay, Rainey. Okay, Rainey. Offense. 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 Offense.
JB, let's go.
No. Defense. Defense.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Offense. Defense.
What's good?
What's the word?
Fresh mob.
Oh, sit down, Trey. You got to sit down on that, Trey.
There we go.
Hey, everything to push pull. Let's go.
Hey, Trail, his ass out. Hey, Christian, long arm. Oh yeah. Damn.
Square stage, square game, square game.
Oh my God! We here! Who's that? Come on! That was hard. That's good.
South Florida, man. Come on, belt the ass. You already know. Get it going.
There we go.
Go! Good.
There you go. Keys to go. There you go, keys to go.
Stay on! Stay on!
Touch the bag, JP.
JP, gotta get off the block. Right, JP, there we go. There we go. Go, hey! Good. Sit down. There you go, Rondo. Let's go! Behind the bag. They gonna get it back. There you go, son. Punch. They just told you. You're freaking soft. You're freaking soft. Hustle back. Let's go. Cause that belly too damn big. That's why you leave. Nope, he didn't touch it. Good. Eli, hurry up! Find the back here. There you go, Casey. Who is it? Here we go. Use your bag. Let's go, JJ. There you go, get there, good.
As soon as I got it,
camera at him? You don't know. He keeps saying it's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
Because you need first. You need touch first. You need touch first. How? You touch first. That was y'all. Woo! Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Lano, get set. Get set, Lano.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you
There you
go.
go. Raise your hand.
That's a bull run.
Long. Y'all said it's a 1 second press. All right. Get the arm away. Yup. Get the. So if they the side. I like that. There you go. No, there you go. There you go. There you go. Get his out, boy. Sophie. Oh yeah, none of that. None of that. None of that. Green. Come on, man. That's a bull. That's a bull. That's one more. Green. Let's go. Hey, don't go trade. Make him come to you. There you go. Make him come. Let's go. Game.
Solano Wire, class of 26. We in.
Come on, Kyrie. Keep working. Go, Aiden. Wait. There you go. Hey, wait. Hey. Don't set so hard. Hey, keep working. Keep working.
And stop leaving it up to the refs. Yeah?
He can't guard me. There you go. There you go. Stay there. Stay there. There you go. Now drive. Drive. There you go. Hey, cross out. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Let's go, Malik. There you go. Good job, Ed. There you go. Good job, Ed. Good job, Ed. Give it to him, Corey. Good job, Corey. Hey. Stay on the inside half. Oh, good job. Keep working.
Offense.
Hey, go, JJ. Keep working, JJ. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. There you go. There you go. Good job, JJ. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get it back. Good job. Good job. Go. Yes, sir. There you go. Good job. Oh, yeah. Huh? I'm gonna be watching you. You from Canada, right? Come on. There you go. That's how you call. That's how you call stuff.
I was the one running behind y'all.
I'm fucking with you. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you.
Up on defense.
They doing a great job.
Up on defense.
I'm just messing with you.
Them my dogs, though. Them my dogs.
You know how we do, man.
Yeah, I
You
know.
already
I know.
Yeah. Good job, fellas. Good job. Good job, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Keep picking it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good job. Good job, defense.
Strike.
Good, Gabe. Good hands, Casey. Green.
Move, good move. Good move.
Good job, Coach D.
Good.
Too easy. Yes, sir.
That's us. Bull rush. Y'all don't know what a bull rush is, then. Y'all not lying.
You don't gotta end it. You want to finish this. Fucking laughing at us. Like we ain't shit. We don't fall off.
Kiss on two. 1, 2.
Look at my team. Nobody here got major O's. I just got my first one yesterday. Nobody here got major O's. We whooping niggas' ass. We putting belt to ass just like that.
Bro, you gonna see what happened. Keep sleeping, you gonna see what happened, man.
That's a mountain mentality, coach.
Yeah, that's that soft mutant stuff. And Casey Cabin. You not see that?
We gotta do it. Wait, where's your bone at?
It's like a bone, right? Don't it's like a bone.
What do those football players do?
Hey, go right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1, 2. Yes, sir. 3-0. Get off. Get off. Get off. Mama lead.
Anybody got a coin? We ain't flipping no phone. Anybody got a coin? He got a coin.
This about to be pay-per-view right here.
Tails right here. Tails right here. Yep. Tails. There it is. Go.
You say it ain't no sympathy. That's a hold. You can't do that. That's a hold. That's a hold. That's a hold. The scoreboard matter at all times. We won. We won. That last one.
Everybody. Hey, listen. Great day, though. So, congrats, Coach. Guys, safe travels. Anybody else got anything to say? You want to say anything?
Hey, just overall, fella, this is what it's all about. It's competition. Sometimes you're going to win something, sometimes you're going to lose something. Sometimes in the game, you may not agree with the ref. All right, but what you going to do? You're going to just pout about it, you're going to go back to work. All right, you got to move on to the next play. You can't dwell on the last play. We can't rewind time. So you got to move on to the next play. Every play, they say we hold.
I mean, this was a big trophy when we first picked it out. When we put it beside y'all, don't look that big. Brawling the Peak in 2025.
You right there. I know how it's for to go 0-2 and win some. That's adversity, bro. Good shit. Oh, y'all boys. Y'all work your hardest, bro.
Let me get on with you. I'm going to move.